Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Injustice 2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, just look for the search button and just type in Injustice 2 and begin your search. Now once you find the Injustice 2 game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Injustice 2 game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you can tap on the play button to open up the game. And now you can proceed with signing up to start playing the Injustice 2 game on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Injustice 2 on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.